Do you remember my Breaking Bad tutorial? Where I tried to recreate the famous intro using all those confusion fusion notes? It took me 3 whole days to finish. That whole nightmare actually what forced me to build a solution. A simple tool that creates that complex 3D parallax effect, but without the headache. It's called 3D Camp. So that got me thinking, could I remake that entire Breaking Bad intro not in 3 days but in 3 minutes? Let's find out. Tina, can you demonstrate?
Sure. First, we're going to make this part. To do this, I have a picture of a chart and a picture of a title box. In the animation, the title box is stuck to the chart as it moves. But then, the title box stops and stays in place, while the chart keeps on going. So, to make this happen, the first thing I'll do is put the title box right where I want it to stick on the chart. Next, I'll add an adjustment clip on top of everything. Now, I just add my 3D Cam plugin to that adjustment clip. Watch! Both the chart and the title box move together perfectly. Now, right when the title box gets to the spot where I want it to stop, I'll make a little cut in the clip. I'll drag that second piece so it sits on top of our adjustment clip. Then, I'll reset all the transform and then just resize it back where I want it to stay. We're done. Let's check the animation. Nice. Now, let's just make the chart fade away at the end. Then we can select all of them and turn them into one single clip. All done with that part. Okay, now let's make the big title at the start. This part is super easy. First, grab a text plus clip and type your words. Then, move the text to the spot where you want it to end up. Now, just add the 3D Cam plugin, and you're done. Seriously, that's it. So, if you combine these two simple tricks, you can make the entire Breaking Bad intro all by yourself. Let's see the final result.
So that's 3D Cam, and it's just one of the 9 tools built into the full LetMeAnimate Suite. If you want to get your hands on the entire workflow system, including the grid generator and the 3D loop tool, the link to the full suite is right in the description.